Like today's video, we're going to see, first of all, I'm going to choose one of my domains, which is we're going to go with Gmo today. Come here, click on the manage. So you're going to log into your dashboard and click on the manage button corresponding to the domain you want to install the WordPress on. And then let's wait for it to load. At this part, the only thing you're going to make sure is that you're going to switch from Namecheap basic DNS to Namecheap web hosting DNS. Come over here, switch it, make sure to hit the tick button and let it for a while, give it a while for it to propagate. Now they usually say it's going to take 48 hours, but in my experience it can take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, and it will propagate properly. Now once that is done, head over to your cPanel using the credentials that were sent in your email. From here, first of all, what you're going to want to do is add the domain we just pointed as an add-on domain. So we're going to open it in a new tab, from where we're going to now add it properly. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, from here you're only going to enter the domain name, which is gmo.com. Then it's going to create everything. We don't really need the FTP account, which can also be created at a later point should you need it, but seeing as how we'll be doing this with soft calculus, there's really no point. So then add the domain. Let's wait for it to get added. You don't really need to mess up with this, to mess with the root domains and all that. Just need to enter your domain, the domain name field, and that's it. The rest is taken care of. Okay, finally we have liftoff. The domain has been added, so the first things first we're going to do is head over to this Namecheap SSL cPanel plugin to install the positive SSL on it. Okay, then later on you can go. Don't even really need to mess with the file manager at this point, so we're going to X out of that window. So from here, simply locate the domain we just added and then click on install. On the next page, you're simply just going to click on yes, replace the existing one, and then enter the email you'd want for the admin details to be sent to. Then simply click on the install button, then give it time to install. That has been installed. Down here you're going to see that it's in progress. Just click on this to redirect every HTTP traffic to over to the HTTPS traffic, which is it's more secure. Okay, this usually does take some time, like 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So I'll come back at that point after it's already propagated, and then we'll proceed. But these are the steps that essentially you'll be taking this little bit of information. So okay, we'll pick it up later on. Hey guys, we are now back after a while, I would say 10 minutes, and as you can see, the SSL certificate has just been installed on gmo.com. So I hope this video is valuable to you. If so, hit the thumbs up button and maybe leave a comment below. Until next time, stay blessed guys.